It is estimated that 37.3 million people have diabetes. Diabetics often develop nerve damage that stops the feeling in their feet. This is called neuropathy. This can often lead to a diabetic not knowing if they have a cut or a sore on their foot. Non-healing foot wounds can quickly develop into diabetic foot ulcers. A diabetic foot ulcer is an open sore or wound that occurs in approximately 34% of patients with diabetes. 58% of diabetic foot ulcers will get infected. 70% of all amputations are caused by diabetic foot ulcers. If you or someone you love is suffering from a chronic wound, reach out to your local wound clinic to have your wound properly assessed and treated by a wound care professional. Spread the word and educate your friends and family about the increasing risk of chronic wounds while living with diabetes. Like and subscribe to be notified on new content.